Hello, history of Python. Python was developed by Van Ransom in the late 1980s and 1990s at Netherlands, the National Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. And next, different types of versions we have Python versions. And the Python was first version was released in 1994, November 1994, and in 2000 Python 2.0 was released, and 2.7.11 is the latest version of the Python 2. And next Python 3 was the version released in 2008, and Python 3.1 is the latest version. So please follow these sessions.